Hello everyone, welcome back to Wallpaperland. Today we're going to explore 6 interesting types of wall treatments that can transform any room in your home. Whether you're looking for something bold, subtle, or unique, there's a wall treatment out there for you. Let's dive in and discover these exciting options. 1. Wallpaper. First up is the classic choice, wallpaper. Wallpaper comes in an endless variety of patterns, colors, and textures, making it a versatile option for any room. Whether you prefer floral designs, geometric patterns, or textured finishes, wallpaper can add depth and personality to your space. 2. Paint. Next, we have paint. While it might seem simple, paint offers a wide range of possibilities. You can create bold accent walls, use different techniques like sponging or stenciling, or even combine colors for a unique look. Paint is an easy and cost-effective way to refresh your walls. 3. Wood paneling. Wood paneling is another fantastic option. It adds warmth and texture to any room, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. From classic shiplap to modern geometric designs, wood paneling can be tailored to fit both traditional and contemporary styles. 4. Wainscoting. Wainscoting is a timeless wall treatment that adds elegance and sophistication. This decorative paneling is usually installed on the lower half of the wall, creating a beautiful contrast with the upper part. It's perfect for dining rooms, hallways, and living areas. 5. Textured plaster. For a unique and artistic touch, consider textured plaster. This technique involves applying plaster in various patterns and textures to create a three-dimensional effect. It's great for adding character and a sense of craftsmanship to your walls. 6. Fabric panels. Last but not least, fabric panels are an innovative way to add color and texture to your walls. They can be upholstered to create a soft, luxurious feel or used as decorative accents. Fabric panels are perfect for bedrooms and living rooms where you want to create a cozy atmosphere. And there you have it, 6 interesting types of wall treatments to enhance your home. Each option offers its own unique charm and can be tailored to fit your personal style. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Wallpaperland for more home decor tips and inspiration. Have any favorite wall treatments or ideas we missed? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.